by the end of this video, you will have free resources for IELTS. I mean, that's what you expected, but you will also have an official IELTS discount. I got you this discount. Why did I do this? Why did I get in touch with the IELTS organization and get you a discount? Because you had subscribed to my channel. Wait, I hope you have subscribed to this channel, because if you have not, you don't deserve this discount. So without further ado, let me talk about the free resources, and somewhere in the middle, I talk about the way you get this IELTS discount. So by now, GRE, we have a discount. TOEFL, we have a discount. IELTS, we have a discount. Duolingo, we have a discount on almost all the exams. How? Because I want to help students as much as I can. I try my best. Let's go. I had 8 points in IELTS. So first I'll talk about what are all the resources that I used that were free. I studied for 2 weeks, completely only free resources. And then I'll talk about some other resources which I did not try, but these are absolutely free. First, use Road to IELTS. Now this is by British Council directly. What you will get here is 40 practice tests and video tutorials from 5 British Council IELTS experts. That's it. That's the second most important resource that you will be using. Next would be IELTS IDP. Now, this is the official body that would be conducting the exam. Here you will get 60 video tutorials, 100 plus practice questions, and 150 lessons of grammar and vocabulary. This would be my rank 3 of practice. And at number 1, the most important thing that I used was the official book that IDP gave me for giving this exam. So whenever you register for the exam, you will be getting a physical book from IDP. So this is my recommendation. Take the exam, book the exam after 3 weeks so that you get the book in 1 week and you have 2 weeks to use that book and prepare. What did I use that book for? I used the practice exams given in that book. They have 4 practice exams, the best practice exams that you can try, because they're exactly exam level practice exams. And that I used to get a high score on IELTS. That you can use to understand the entire process of IELTS. These are the only 3 resources that I used. Now I will be talking about other free resources, but I have a very important question to address. Should you buy IELTS program, IELTS teaching from somewhere? Please listen to this carefully. You can go in the comment section, write as much bad as you want to, but this is my honest opinion. Some students do need it. Many students don't need it. So basically, IELTS is a simple English exam and you just need to score fine marks, fine grades. And 8 is amazing. You don't need to score a 9. There are some consultancies that tell you that if you have a 9 on IELTS, you will have a higher chance of getting a scholarship. That is the most bullshit and absurd thing that I've heard. There are some universities that do give out additional $4,000 or $5,000 in scholarships. But then if your fees is $100,000 and you're giving $5,000 as scholarship, that's not a scholarship. That's basically a discount that you're getting just because you're paying such a huge fee. Okay, so don't think that if you score 9 on IELTS, you will be someone new. I mean, your profile would be something better. Just think about it like this. If you're in India and you speak Hindi, if you speak pure Hindi, does that help you become a better computer science engineer? What? How would Hindi help me become a computer science engineer? Similarly, how would a language help you become a better computer science engineer or any other degree that you want to go for? So please don't think that I need to get a 9 on IELTS. You just need to get the minimum basic requirement. IELTS is a requirement. This you should have above this mark. Beyond that, no one cares. No one cares how much you got. So please don't think that I have to get the best score in IELTS. It is just that you have to clear the IELTS exam. Now, for those of you who are facing a bit of difficulty understanding this video, probably you should be buying the IELTS course. मतलब आपको खरीद लेना चाहिए IELTS का course. But for those of you who are not facing any difficulty understanding this video, I honestly don't think that it would be that difficult to score at least a 7 point on IELTS. Those are my 2 cents. Now you're free to go to the comment section and say whatever you want to say about me. Oh, wait, we also have to talk about the IELTS discount. Let's talk about the discount. So with the discount, there is sort of a problem. The problem is IELTS, I tried my level best to get the best discount for you guys. The best discount isn't that much. For TOEFL, we had like somewhere around 1700 rupee discount. But for IELTS, right now it is just 200 rupees, but I've had a word and I will make sure that you get a bigger discount. So minimum, I'm assuring you 200 rupee discount, but it would be more than 200, at least 200. I can say the word at least I can add, but please don't hold me accountable if it is just a 200 rupee discount. This is what I have made sure that you will get, but beyond this, I am trying my level best. So if you're watching this video 1 year down the line, probably you'll have a bigger discount, but if you're watching this video right now, it might just be 200. Sorry for that. Okay, how do you get this discount? You go to the description of this video. There is a form. You fill that form, and after that, my team will get in touch with you. They'll help you booking your IELTS exam city and everything. And finally, there will be a payment. You will make the payment, and as soon as you're done with the payment, you will be getting the cash back from from my team side. Yeah, it will be a cashback. It would not be a direct discount. It would be a cashback. Now, in this entire process, if you ever feel stuck, you could drop me a text on Instagram. If I don't reply immediately, whoever you're talking to from my team, just ask that person, oh, can you ask Murad to text me back? Because the issue is, my DMs are usually filled. I get at least 500 DMs a day, so I probably would not be able to see your text. But if you're asking my team to get in touch with me, I will reply instantaneously because I'm mostly online always. I should be doing something with that. But yeah, if you face any difficulty with the entire process, I will be there helping you with the process in case you face any difficulty. Ideally, you shouldn't. Minimum discount, I am saying 200, which seems very low, but yeah, I'm working on it. And I'm working on other IELTS free classes and everything else. Yeah, you will be getting everything. But now talking about other free resources. Oh, I completely forgot the title of this video. Other free resources. Let's completely make the list. These are resources that I did not use but are free to use. I'll also leave these links in the description. So first would be IELTS material. Here you will get 5 full-length mock tests. They also offer ebook worth $185 for free. Next would be mini IELTS. You get free practice tests here, reading practice tests and also listening practice tests. Next would be free crash course for IELTS preparation. The website is My Great Learning. Here you will get 5-hour long self-paced content. Next is IELTS Pass. Here it is free as well as paid resources for IELTS preparation. This would help you with your grammar. Next is IELTS academic test preparation. This will help you with authentic IELTS style exercises and interactive activities. Now this was entire IELTS material that I could help you with. A free discount is in the description, but if you're still considering which country to go to, a good question, which country should I go to? USA, Canada, Australia, Germany, then this video is for you. Wow! I compare all the countries, talk about all of these. This